What's up, everybody? Okay, so this is the Dewalt Multi-Tacker 5-in-1. My old Powershot, I must have had for, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 years. Its lifespan was over with. It wasn't working. So I had to buy a new one. This one is about $27 to $30. Yeah, so I'm about to see how this works. Okay, so, okay, just took it out the box, took it out this packaging. So this piece right here is for the different type of staples. This is for you put it down. That's for your brads and your narrow crown. The narrow flat crown staples. And when you put it up, when you switch that up, that's for your cable, your light, and your heavy duty staples. It also can do 18 gauge brads. So that's pretty cool. It has this low and high power. Yeah, I like the way it looks. Good size to it. You know, squeeze this part right here, pull it out, turn it upside down, put it in the stable, sleeve of staples, push it in there, and you're ready to go. Okay, just so you can see the ease of the staple use. Super easy. Super easy.